It started for me with hiking, and in the beginning I didn't even want to be a photographer. I remember when someone told me, why would you not be a landscape photographer? And then I was thinking about the situation, about just waiting there maybe for days. I definitely didn't want to do that. You can like something a lot for a short period, but if you stop maybe after a year or after a few months, maybe because you're not successful or for any other reason, it's never gonna work. You must be focused on the future. Beauty in nature is something that only lasts for a really short time. And with photography, you can capture that moment, that small moment of beauty, and it will last forever. I'm not really interested in the best lenses, the most technical gear. It's all about the locations, about the moment, and the technical stuff is just for me to very little importance. In this tutorial you will learn how to elevate your photography. I will be sharing everything I've learned and accumulated in the past 10 years in this class. You will learn how I include subjects into landscape photos, take multi-shot panoramas, shoot into the sun, take beautiful drone photos, use foreground objects to create depth, create landscape photos with telephoto lenses, use Photoshop to enhance the mood in your pictures, scout with Google Earth, know how to prepare for a hike, and so much more. I also try to do more with my zoom lens. Even though it's a bit old, it's not really working that well, but if I do like this, it's working again, and that's the only thing that matters.